Hey babe, what are we doing?
So we are replanting some plants which were about to die. Yeah, I'm gonna put them in these bigger planters. Got them yesterday only. It looks sunny today, so just felt like doing something green, breathing. I think you're gonna help me out with this, taking it out.
Okay, give this to me. Hold it. Okay, so take it, it's done.
Oh, thank you.
Check it out. Look at the root network.
It has grown, hasn't it?
It's been
Right, you know what?
growing.
Let's take all these plants.
We've just been. This one's a lily, right?
Which
This one, the one which you've just
not
planted.
really.
It's peace lily, yeah. It's a peace lily plant, I know.
Is it?
Yeah. The one with white flowers, which do look like leaves, and then some stem in the middle.
See, I'm trying to loosen the roots here.
They will not be because it's all root. There's no more compost, so all you need to do is plant them in, and they will loosen themselves.
Gosh. It hardly have any space, if I can I don't think so I'm able to compost inside.
Just put some from top, and when you start watering it, and the compost will sink in, and when it sinks in, it will settle automatically.
Or should I just put a lot of compost inside first and then place this plant?
In at least have this thick layer of compost before you.
What do you think about this?
This is enough. I guess. Probably a little more. Just this much more. That's it.